Removing strain from standing works. Archelis is an exoskeleton assist suit that reduces the burden on the legs and lower back in standing works. The most important thing for using Archelis is that you should use it with proper wearing and proper posture. If it is not used properly, the effects may be reduced. Make sure to use it to keep your balance properly, otherwise you may fall down behind. This movie shows how to wear the Archelis properly. Please watch this movie carefully and use Archelis correctly. Warning. Safety precautions. Please fully observe the following precautions to prevent injury or harm to you or others, as well as to ensure safe use of the product. Handling precautions. Preparation for installation. 1. Please check that all the product and components are complete. Archelis FX stick, thigh belt, thigh cushion, locking dial, sheen belt, sheen cushion, stick, dedicated stand, components, extension belt, ankle belt, ratchet buckle type foot parts. Preparation for installation. 2. Please check the environment in which the device will be used. Do not use the device under these circumstances. Bumpy, unlevel areas with obstacles. Slippery or water floors. Hold heavy objects while wearing it. Size adjustment. You need to adjust the Archelis to your height. Adjustment. There is a size chart inside of the frame. Adjust the sheen part according to the size chart. 1. Pull open the cover and take out the orange pin. 2. Adjust the part to the position with scale marks that match your height, as shown in the chart. 3. Reinsert the orange pin and close the cover. The size chart is only a guide, so please use it in a way that fits your size and your preferable feeling. Adjustment of thigh parts. Do the same things as sheen parts. Preparation of wearing. Wrap the ankle belt on your foot. Be careful not to wear the belt in the wrong direction up and down, left and right. You wrap the right ankle belt first. This is the right ankle belt. The convexity comes at the bottom and metal part comes inside. Fix the ankle belt as far below the ankle as possible. Do the same things for the left foot. Putting on the device. The frame of Archelis comes inside of your leg. Be careful not to wear the Archelis in the wrong direction up and down, left and right. Insert the ankle belt metal fittings through the stick groove on the underside of the Archelis. Fix to your sheen with the sheen belt. Fix to your thigh with the thigh belt. Tighten the Velcro to fit the device to your body. Putting on the device. Let's take a closer look. Modes. Archelis has 3 modes. Free mode. Archelis, half-sitting mode. Standing mode. Free mode is for no restriction of your legs. Using this mode, you can walk long distances and bend down for picking up something dropped. Half-sitting mode, we call it Archelis mode, can support your body in standing works. In general, users use this mode most frequently in their work situation. This mode supports the body, shins, and thighs, so your physical burden can be reduced. There is a little constraint around your knee area, but you can walk around the workstation. Standing mode supports the body in standing posture. You may prefer it because you can keep your viewpoint on the same height. Mode change. Turn the dial slightly, and you can change the position to any mode. The locking dial for switching modes can be turned only when the user's weight is not put on the device. Turn the dial slightly while holding down the orange-colored button, and then release the button. After releasing the button, turn the dial to a mode position which sounds with a click. This is the free mode. This is the half-sitting mode. This is the standing mode. Key tips: posture. Effective use. Keep both feet parallel. It's easier to keep your balance if you put your feet back and forth. When you put your legs on the edge of the desk, you feel more comfortable, because your weight is supported by triangular points. While wearing Archelis, you do not always need to lean your weight on that. You can work standing as always and lean your weight on Archelis from time to time, which would reduce your strain. Use Archelis in your preferable posture, depending on your work situation and environment. Key tips: cushion. Adjust the position of cushions, and you can have more comfortable feeling of fitting Archelis to your body. Sheen cushion can be removed. Adjust the position, depending on your body shape, and you can have more comfortable feeling of fitting. Also, thigh cushion can be removed. Putting off the device. 1. Take the thigh parts. 2. Remove the thigh buckle. 3. Remove the sheen buckle. 4. Pull off Archelis from ankle belt. 5. Remove the ankle belt. Putting off the device. Let's take a closer look and see how to use the dedicated stand. Key tips putting off the device. When you put off the device, please switch to the Archelis half-sitting mode. Be careful not to pinch your fingers with the frame during installation. In Archelis mode, there is no danger of pinching fingers. How to replace foot parts. You can select different types of foot parts according to the operating environment and work process. 1. Pull open the cover. 2. Take out the set pin. 3. Remove the stick-type foot parts from Archelis. 4. Insert the ratchet buckle-type foot part. 5. Reinsert the set pin that was taken out in the step 2. 6. Close the cover. Thank you very much.